Alright, what is up YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Today we got a new sprocket for the 125. So we're gonna put it on. It's a black sprocket. I'll show it to you after we get the wheel off. It's gonna look sick on these purple hubs and rims. Oh yeah, we also added 2 teeth to this from the stock, so we're gonna have a bit more torque, right? Is that right? More torque? Yeah. Okay, yeah, more torque. Just keep up with 250s. I'm a little underpowered on the 125. They're quite literally double my CCs. So, and more torque. Having a lot of trouble with this though, because my thing don't go on it very well. For some odd reason, I can never get them to work. Primarily because no bolt on this motorcycle likes me. Oh, also YouTube, we have a new project. It's sitting behind me right now. I will talk about it, explain it a bit more at the end of the video. You'll probably see it throughout the video, just kind of in the background. Y'all won't get to know much about it or anything like that. Well, my turn. Should I be pulling this up? Because it doesn't feel like I should be. I should be pulling it up. So there we go. We're also really hoping the chain fits on it. Oh, like it's 2 extra teeth, that's a good amount. Did we ever change the front sprocket on this bike, or did we just leave it alone? Just the back, alright, so we've never changed the front sprocket. That could be something for the future. Oh, also, my dad's got new parts for his TC. Trying to slide. Oh yeah, I gotta loosen that. Nice size up. That's smaller. Do we have one out here for this? Oh yeah, we do. We have to. Where would the biggest sockets be in here? Back here, right?
You want them on the bottom there because it's metric.
So these. Okay, these are the big ones. Let's try this extra. No, it's not right. Some 22. A bit bigger than this 22. 24. Hey, this is the biggest socket you have out here, and it's not big enough.
Bottom drawer there,
Very bottom drawer. Yeah. was the right one. Alright, well this one doesn't feel right, but I mean it's the only one that fits it. Next size down doesn't. While he's doing that, I'll show y'all the... That's it. We got some new all black hardware for it. Alright, where do I put that on? Probably gonna hold the front end. Well, there it goes. I gotta take it completely out, don't I?
Get it loose enough, you use ratchet.
Alright.
Set your breaker bar on here.
Got the unreasonably sized breaker bar, YouTube. And I used all my pure strength that to break that without using my feet. Like I always have to. My dad got new bars. He's got them out just now. Let me film real quick. Yeah, those are weird. That's different. I'm used to stuff like this and that. Alright, now I need to take my chain off and axle out.
Take the wheel forward, take the chain off, and then take your axle out.
Work. Strip all the way forward. Spinning it, trying to get this chain to come off. Gosh. Why does the chain have to be so hard to get off? There we go.
I hate that we're always working on this shit when it's dirty.
We haven't worked on this when it's dirty up
I know,
until
but
just
that one's always dirty. We don't ever work on that when it's clean. Ready for orange hammer.
Still getting used to the new toolbox.
Go on the other side and pull it out.
Oh, where am I put this?
Set it on there somewhere so it don't get those fingers stuck there in the machine.
Oh, of course. I finally got to get the 125 out and ride at YouTube.
Hold that tire.
It was very fun. Sprocket really isn't even that chewed up, is it?
No, it's brand new sprocket. I mean,
We're just getting one looks cool or two right in the tooth.
we just put this on right at the end of the year last year, remember?
Yeah.
Trying to give you some more bottom end.
To keep up with those 250s. Still couldn't keep up with the 250s, YouTube. Just thought I'd mention that.
So we went off Motocross Action's recommendations, adding one tooth, but we'll add 2 teeth, see what that feels like. If it's too low, we'll
Go back.
put the 50 back on it.
Also, YouTube, that sprocket, I already said this, but that sprocket's so much lighter. I feel like I'm not holding anything when that thing's in my hand, so.
Yeah, this is also a steel sprocket. That one's an aluminum one.
Yeah, a lot lighter.
Let's see how loud it is once we get the steel one off here.
Yeah. Yours is already, was that aluminum?
Yeah.
Yours is already aluminum, isn't it?
I got steel, just try to make it last a little bit longer, but they're at our level of racing, I don't think that weight difference is gonna matter that much, but I'll take that one off. Feel the difference.
Gosh. Okay, so this thing feels super heavy. And then we got my light one. You can see like how much more it's taking me to hold this one up. This one's a lot heavier. You wanna feel them, Dad?
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot heavier, isn't it?
Need a paper towel.
And like I said, we got some all black hardware to go with it. These are good. This is gonna look so clean, so clean. So clean, so clean, so clean. Y'all probably don't want to watch us put all the hardware back in there, so we'll see y'all whenever it's all back.
Don't mention the time.
Okay. So YouTube, it's back on. That's it. Right there. So now time to move on to our new project. This. So if you don't know what this is a mud mower or a lawn mower. It's our newest project. It was 25 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace. It's good. It's got back tire. I mean, it doesn't run. You know, what do you expect out of $25? So we're gonna try to do a pull string, and we'll get some videos on it whenever it gets running. We'll get the hood. So yeah, I want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.